In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a background in Lightroom. This technique is perfect for enhancing the focus on your subject in a photograph, making it stand out beautifully against a softened background. Whether you're an experienced photographer or just getting started with photo editing, this process is straightforward and effective. First, you'll want to open up Lightroom and import your photo. Once you launch Lightroom, navigate to the File menu at the top left of your screen. From there, choose Import to bring in the image you'll be working with. You can either drag and drop your image into the import window or browse your computer to select the file. After your photo is loaded, look to the top right of your Lightroom workspace. You'll see a section labeled Develop. Click on Develop to prepare to make adjustments to your photo. Now that you're in the Develop module, take a glance to the right side of your screen. There you'll spot a series of icons, and you want to click on the circle icon, which is just above the sliders. This icon represents the radial filter tool. With this tool, you can create a selection around the subject you want to remain focused, while the area outside the circle will be blurred. After clicking, drag your cursor over the photo to create an oval or circular selection that covers your subject. With your subject selected, let's work on adjusting the background. Head over to the right panel and use the sliders under the Effect section. One of your goals here is to blur the background by lowering the texture. Reducing the texture of the selected area will smooth out the details, giving it a softer appearance. Pay attention to how strong this effect is on different parts of your background, and adjust until you get the blur effect you desire. Next, you'll want to further reduce the clarity of the background by adjusting the sharpness. Still in the right panel, find the Detail section. Here, lowering the sharpness will further contribute to the blur effect. The sharpness slider allows you to control the fine detail in your photo, so sliding it to the left can help in achieving that smooth, unobtrusive blur. And there you have it, a beautifully blurred background achieved with just a few simple steps in Lightroom. Remember, this method allows you to maintain sharpness and detail in your subject while softly blurring the surrounding area, drawing viewers' attention right where you want it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks in digital photography and editing.